Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey, Ashley.
Same question, but Dr. Brett is 21 years old in 2023. You think you can hold that your own against somebody at 21, when you were 21?
I mean, I had no size, but we were super tough. I always say the identical twin thing. I mean, we were super tough. So someone would have to beat me to a pulp because I would keep fighting.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I mean, because we played, I used to play QB for our intramural football team. And we had this, one side of the fraternity against the other side. And because I won't say the details because they're too rude. But the kid on the other side that, I don't know if I instigated or he instigated a fight or whatever, but all I know is he was like 6'3", 220, and I was like, 5'9", 150 at the time or whatever. And he ran me the fuck over. Literally, on a play, he runs me over, literally ran me completely over, and I bounced up because I'm only like 20 years old or whatever, and I tried to fight him, and both teams went at it or whatever and broke us up or whatever, but he would have killed me. But at 20 years old, I'm like gonna get killed. That's why the military, picks 18, 19, 20, we're dumb, right?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Nice.